Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into this video. So I went ahead and I put down this super cute tape from Ulta. The palette I'm going to be using is Going Coconuts by ColourPop. I kid you not, we are only about to use two different shades. This one called Lovely Bunch, darkest shade we're going to use. So we're going to take Lovely Bunch first. And I'm taking this on a small fluffy brush. And I'm just using small back and forth motions. And I'm not like blending anything up. I'm literally just going sideways. It should pretty much look something like that. So next we're going to be mixing those two shades to kind of create like a medium brown. This shade is going to be a little bit darker. You want to keep it closer to the lash line and not as blended as the other shade. So you kind of want to pay attention to where you're putting this. This is going to be the tone that's sitting in the middle. Now I am going in with the darkest shade on a flat brush and I am just pressing this. And this one you want to keep super close to your lash line. And pretty much when you have it all down and you're satisfied, you're going to go back in with the blending brush and blend it out. Now it's time to blend. And honestly, there's really no like right or wrong way when you're doing this. Before I take the tape off, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara. This is the Lily Lashes mascara, and I'm going to apply my lashes as well. I'll be using Tati lashes today. Wow, this is the part that people will be like, oh my god, she's gonna give herself wrinkles. Okay, I'm gonna finish my face off camera and I'll be right back. Now we're going to be finishing off the eye. I'm going to take that lightest brown shade and place that right underneath the lash line. I always make ugly faces when I'm like right under my eye. Embarrassing. And then we're gonna go in with the darker tone and place that closest to the lashes. Oh my god, this looks so freaking good. Maybe it's just my nose contour. Not gonna lie, the nose contour is doing its job today. I'm going to take this Pinky Rose cream stick. And this is a nude shade. I'm gonna put that on my waterline. This is gonna become one of my favorites. I already know. Now add mascara on the bottom lashes. But be super careful. Don't get your mascara all over the place like I do. Oh, what did I just say? Oh my god, I just freaking jinxed myself. So whatever, I'm just gonna act like that didn't happen. I mean, it kind of blends in with the eyeshadow, so I'm not gonna say anything negative because the universe is always listening. This is the finished eye look. I love doing this look. Honestly, anytime I don't want to do like eyeshadow, eyeliner, this is like the most easiest, quickest thing to do. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you and I'm so grateful for you, and I will see you in my next video.